Bar soap holders. Soap savers hold bar soap, sponges, scrubbies, dish brushes, razors, small accessories and more. Great for use in bathroom, kitchen, shower, laundry room, or mudroom. Durable. Made of clear, flexible plastic for years of quality use. Functional. Textured surface securely holds soap and sponges and prevents them from sliding off of the tray. Sturdy base. Textured base prevents soap holders from sliding around countertop. Set of 3. Each oval soap saver measures 3.25 by 4.75, perfect for your counter. The iDesign soap savers are your solution to keeping soap bars clean and dry. This oval bar soap holder is great for keeping soap or sponges within arm's reach at any sink. The trays are made of clear, flexible plastic for years of quality use. The textured base holds your soap or sponge to prevent any slipping off the base or around the counter. These soap holders are great to use in the bathroom, shower, kitchen, or laundry room. The set of 3 allows you to use them throughout your home. Each soap saver measures 3.25 by 4.75, perfect for your counter space. With iDesign by InterDesign, you can hashtag live simply every day. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent product. I have been using this kind of soap saver for many decades. I consider it to be essential for the bathroom. Bar soap is not popular now, but this is still useful for holding shampoo bottles or other items off of the surface of the tub or shower. Without this, water gets trapped underneath and never dries. This product lets it dry underneath so mold does not grow. The top and bottom are exactly the same, with tabs coming up and down from the center. The company also makes a smaller version. The main difference is the height in addition to the size. The smaller one is also a bit shorter, which could be important, as it is with my shower tray, which is angled. The higher soap saver would allow my shaving mug to fall off. As long as you are aware of this when you buy it, you can't go wrong with one of them. I recommend this product.